Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you exactly how you can reset your Xiaomi robot vacuum X20 in order to fix the problem if it is not working properly. So first of all, you need to take a look at the Xiaomi robot vacuum unit, and over here on top of your unit you are going to see these two buttons. So we have this home button and then we have this power button. So what you need to do for the resetting process is to simply press and hold these two buttons together for at least 60 seconds, or until you see the light over here, or until you hear a voice prompt. So this is going to basically clear the current network settings, and it will also put the vacuum in the pairing mode. Now if reconnecting to the Wi-Fi doesn't solve the problem, you can also do a factory reset. So on the top cover of the robot, you just have to simply locate the reset button near the system control. Then you just have to simply press and hold it for several seconds until you hear a confirmation message, and the robot is going to basically restart, and it will also restore its original factory settings. So that's how you can basically reset it. Thank you.